Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a cook and clean with me, where it's a collaboration with my friend Home with Hannah here on YouTube, and I will let her introduce herself right now.
Give me all your love.
Hey you guys, my name is Hannah from Home with Hannah here on YouTube. I'm so excited to be doing this collab with Krista. I make a lot of similar content as Krista over on my channel. I do a lot of cooking and cleaning. I would love it if after watching Krista's video, you came over to my channel and watched the video we made in collaboration with each other. And if you enjoyed that video, I'd hope that you stick around and subscribe to my channel.
And I'll be alright. I'll be right.
And this is what you're gonna need: 3 russet potatoes, 1 thing of Polska kielbasa, sausage, a zucchini, baby cut carrots or whatever carrots you prefer. I just use baby cut. Then I use the salt-free dash garlic and herb seasoning and Italian seasoning. So I'll have everything in the description below on what you need to do, but go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and then we're going to spray our pan with whatever spray you have. I just use vegetable oil spray. Usually I use olive oil, but they didn't have any, so I had to do vegetable oil. And then you're just going to cut up all your veggies and your sausage and put it all in a pan.
Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. And you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
So I like to spray the top of my veggies and sausage with more spray oil, vegetable oil, whatever you want to call it, and then add my seasonings, just so I know that the seasonings stick very well. And just measure with your heart. I never say exactly how much I'm gonna add. As you can see, I just keep going. I like to put a good bit of seasoning on all of my stuff. And then once everything's ready to go, you just pop it in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes. And here it is. It looks so good and it tasted phenomenal.
Just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guidance.
So I had to wait till the next morning to start cleaning the kitchen up from dinner, because Ollie did not want to go to sleep last night. He did not fall asleep until midnight, and by then I was just way too tired, and I was like, I'll just do it in the morning, it'll be fine. So we're gonna go ahead and start off by cleaning the dishes. And peep if you notice anything different about me. I dyed my hair red and I am so in love.
Cold waves are crashing in. asleep. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me.
So I always forget to mention this, mainly because I also keep forgetting to move it. But right there next to my knife block is a box for a switch. Now the reason that's there is because my letter board is right there, and that's actually holding all of our letters. So it's not just sitting there randomly. There's a rhyme and a reason for it being there, but I just keep forgetting to move it and actually putting letters on my letter board.
Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine?
Alright guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Don't forget to like and leave a comment down below, and go check out Hannah's video now that you're done watching mine, and show her some love. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos, where I upload every Monday and Friday. And I hope that you guys have a blessed day, night, or whatever time it is wherever you are.